I'm diving deep into the mysteries of quantum consciousness and trying to figure out what's really behind it all. Can I make sense of this mind-bending concept? You've probably heard the term quantum consciousness being thrown around in spiritual circles or online forums, but what does it really mean? Simply put, it's the idea that our consciousness, our awareness, is somehow linked to the strange and mysterious world of quantum mechanics. It's a notion that suggests our very perception of reality is intertwined with the behavior of subatomic particles. When I first came across this concept, I was skeptical, to say the least. I mean, how could our thoughts and feelings possibly influence the quantum realm? It sounds like the stuff of science fiction. And I'm not alone in my skepticism. Many scientists and experts have dismissed the idea of quantum consciousness as nothing more than a pseudoscientific fantasy. But as I delved deeper into the subject, I began to realize that there's a lot more to it than initially meets the eye. The challenges in proving a connection between consciousness and quantum mechanics are undeniable, but that doesn't mean we should dismiss the idea outright. After all, the history of science is filled with theories and concepts that were once considered absurd, only to later become fundamental principles. Take, for example, the concept of gravity. Not so long ago, it was considered a mysterious force that couldn't be explained. But through scientific inquiry and experimentation, we've come to understand its underlying mechanisms. So, is it really so far-fetched to consider the possibility that our consciousness is somehow connected to the quantum world? In the next few minutes, I'll explore some of the fascinating theories and experiments that suggest a link between consciousness and quantum mechanics. From the observer effect to entanglement, we'll dive into the strange and counterintuitive world of quantum physics. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of quantum mechanics is the observer effect. Essentially, it suggests that the act of observation itself can change the behavior of subatomic particles. This raises some interesting questions about the nature of reality and our role in shaping it. If our observation can influence the quantum realm, does that mean our consciousness is having a direct impact on the physical world? Another area of research that has garnered significant attention is entanglement. When two particles become entangled, they become connected in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly affected by the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. It's as if they're connected by some kind of invisible thread. This phenomenon has led some researchers to suggest that consciousness itself may be a form of entanglement, where our individual awareness is connected to the collective unconscious. One of the most compelling theories that suggests a link between consciousness and quantum mechanics is Orchestrated Objective Reduction, or Orch-OR. This theory, proposed by neuroscientist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff, suggests that consciousness arises from the collapse of quantum waves in microtubules within our brain cells. It's a complex and highly speculative idea, but one that has garnered significant attention and debate in the scientific community. So, what does it all mean? Is there really something to this idea of quantum consciousness, or is it just a bunch of new age mumbo-jumbo? While the jury is still out, the evidence and theories I've explored in this video suggest that there may be more to it than we initially thought. The implications of quantum consciousness are profound, and could potentially revolutionize our understanding of reality itself. Before I wrap up, I want to summarize the key points we've covered in this video. From the skepticism surrounding quantum consciousness to the fascinating theories and experiments that suggest a link between consciousness and quantum mechanics, we've explored some of the most mind-bending ideas in modern science. Ready to unlock your full mental potential and achieve peak performance? With Genius Wave, you can boost brainpower, reduce stress, and harness the power of your mind like never before. Why Genius Wave? Enhances focus and sharpens mental clarity. Supports stress relief and promotes calmness. Uses cutting-edge, science-backed technology. Thousands are already transforming their lives with Genius Wave. Don't miss your chance to level up your mental game. Click the link in bio and unlock your potential now.